Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making your phone and peripherals ready. Enable Bluetooth in settings and put the keyboard and mouse into pairing mode so they broadcast. Make sure Android is up to date and the battery levels are adequate. Low power can drop inputs. Once Bluetooth shows devices, tap each name to pair, accept any PIN prompts. You do this now because a clean connection avoids lag later. Pairing first prevents interruptions when you switch to your game. Once paired, switch to mapping and optimization. Install a trusted key mapping app or use a game's native keybind options so mouse and keyboard inputs map correctly. Then tune pointer speed, keyboard repeat delay, and if available, polling rate to reduce latency. Lower delay and higher poll rate feel snappier. Make bindings logical, movement on WASD, aim on mouse, and test in a practice match. Adjust sensitivity in small increments. Finish by running a full in-game test. Check aiming, movement, hotkeys, and responsiveness under real load. Once done, disable battery savers and background apps to prevent disconnects and lock screen rotation if needed. If issues occur, repair both devices and relaunch the mapper, clear app cache, or reinstall the mapper. A simple fix is restarting Bluetooth or using a Bluetooth USB dongle with OTG if pairing fails. This workflow ensures stable, low-latency play and quick recovery if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.